How's it going, gang? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of the Dream League Soccer 2024 on your phone. No jailbreaker computer needed, and it works on iOS and Android devices. So as you can see, I got tons of money there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so basically what you want to do is go to this website called ZooMods, which has a bunch of mods for apps and games. Let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website. And once you're here, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar, type in Dream League Soccer. So as you can see, guys, it should come up. Dream League Soccer mod. So just press on that and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go and try this out for yourself because it's super insane and it fully works. So yeah, it's super cool, guys, as you can see. So yeah, if we go to the search bar and type in Dream League Soccer, you can see it comes right up. So I'm just going to do that right here. So just type in Dream League, and as you can see, when we go to the in-app purchases, you can see it is super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my method out. It's super cool and it fully works, guys, for iOS and Android, bro. All devices are supported with this method. So I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, this is super awesome. As you can see, I got so much money right there, so be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe, bro. This is super cool and fully works and everything, so hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super cool, guys. iOS and Android gang, where it at? So yeah, it's super unique, guys. This actually works. So yeah, as you can see, I got it right here, so be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video, and peace out.